Wow, so good. How many bears? One, two bears. No, that's a baby bear. How many bears? Three bears. How many tigers? Look, tiger. How many tigers? One, two, three, four, five. Five tigers. Six tigers. It's a grandpa. I'm with you.